Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2006 Honda Reflex 250 motor scooter, automatic transmission, fuel injection, ABS brakes. This thing only has 21,000 miles, starts and runs like a top, just like your Honda, you know your Honda will. Beautiful condition. Come on by and make your motor scooter dreams come true for just $29.99. No financing available on this unit. Just through the shop, ready to go. Brand new tire on the front. She's in great running shape, only $29.99 plus fees. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.